No code fans, today's video is all about sending an API request to Zapier with a webhook via the button field in Airtable. Right, let's go. So this is our Airtable base for videos we pulled from YouTube by other creators, which we can then send to No Code Dev's website. And how we send it is using a button field, as you can see. So button field, and we send it using a Zap. First thing you gotta do is go to Zapier, you go to trigger, then you go to Webhook via Zapier, and you go catch a hook. There's a title there. Just copy this string here. You click copy, back to Airtable, and create a button. And as you can see here, what you have to do is put these in quotation marks here, put the Zap in quotation marks, and you put a question mark, Airtable ID, which is the field name which I've created, plus Airtable ID. Now, if you don't know how to create an Airtable ID field, all you have to do, as you can see here, you go to Airtable, this is Airtable ID, you create a formula, and you go record ID, and that's it. So it's pulling through this record here. This is the record ID. So all this is doing in the Zap is sending this record Airtable ID. So as you can see here, you test the trigger, and all it's doing is Airtable ID, the record ID. And after that, you do find video or find the ID that you've looked for. Then after that, you can do anything you want with the information from that record. As you can see, we do quite a lot of things. We find the creator, we update the schedule, progress bar, we put some delays on, we then send it to Webflow, we update it in Webflow, send it to Slack, we send it to Twitter. So what you do, so as you can see here, so this one's not been sent, this progress bar here. I'll click send. Then you come to here, request ID, all this, and that instantly updates. And that's it. So all that information's gone to Zapier. It's been delayed for a bit because we've got a delay in. So we schedule our videos to come out at a certain time. And this bit here, so it's basically hit this bit here. It's updated the progress bar to scheduled. It's found the creator, and it's ready for, and it's in the delay. So Zapier's got it now. It's delayed. And that's all it is. So the most important bit is having that record ID, which is for that formula record ID. In your button field, you've got open action is open URL. And the open URL is quotation marks, webhook, question mark, the field name you've called it, which I've called Airtable ID, equals end of quotation marks and your field name. That sends the Airtable record ID to Zapier, and after that you can do whatever you need to do. Now the benefits of this over other triggers, you can see it instantly happen. You know it's gone to Zapier, and unlike going to other views, it can't be accidentally triggered. You've got to click that button, you've got that thing to come up. So I hope this video has been useful. Please check out on Twitter at NoCodeDevs and keep on building.